April live cattle were moderately higher here today. They did give back some of yesterday's gains and seem to be consolidating up near, well, I'm going to say yearly highs as we're 15 days into the year, but up into recent highs. Before the end of the calendar year, we spent 2/3 of December trading in a range just below a gap we left on the chart when we broke hard back in October. We finally broke through that gap at the beginning of January, actually on the first trading day of January. But we've not really extended to the upside. We've really just kind of been consolidating up here. So from a technical standpoint, it'd be very interesting to watch and see if cattle do have enough momentum to continue to go higher, or if this is signaling just sort of an exhaustion of the corrective bounce that we've had off of the most recent low back in November. We do feel like questions about domestic consumer demand have been soothed a little bit. Boxed beef prices have actually advanced higher here this week, which seasonally they can get softer now until February. So we will be watching that closely over the next month or two. February does have a tendency, or could be maybe the worst month of the year for demand. So we'll be watching out for that. And weekly export sales, they did come out as expected, near expectations at 11.2 thousand metric tons. The thing about that is that we've come to expect some pretty low weekly export inspections or export sales numbers for beef because of the higher prices, because of our low supply domestically. We're just not in a position where the rest of the world wants to pay these higher prices, or we're really not looking to get rid of a lot of the supply that we have. More interested in looking at some possibilities of imports. So, like I said, weekly export inspections, pretty much, or export sales, pretty much as expected. Really, I don't think a big factor in the market here today. More looking at what the demand situation could be as we get into the heart of the winter and into these beginning months of the new year. Either way, lots going on in the live cattle market. So everybody, you stay tuned and you stay safe.